In this video, I'll show you how to use bookkeeping software to stay audit ready, quickly and effectively. If you've ever worried about keeping your books in order for an audit, stick around because I'll walk you through the simple steps that ensure your records are always ready, without the stress. First things first, the key to staying audit ready is consistency. With bookkeeping software, you can easily track all your transactions in real time, which means no more scrambling when tax season or an audit comes around. By using this software, you'll be able to stay on top of everything automatically, leaving no room for errors that could raise flags during an audit. Start by connecting your bank accounts and credit cards directly to the software. This integration is a game changer. It pulls in your transactions and categorizes them for you, making it so much easier to track income and expenses without doing everything manually. Just make sure to check and update the categories as needed. Accurate categorization is vital to avoid any confusion later on. Next, it's time to track your deductions. This software makes it easy to label business-related expenses and ensure that you're only tracking what's necessary for your audit. For example, if you're running a small business, you can separate out things like office supplies, meals, and travel, which can be deducted. This way, you won't have to go back and dig through receipts or invoices later. Another great feature in the software we're using is automatic reporting. You can generate reports at the click of a button, whether it's a profit and loss statement, balance sheet, or income statement. These reports are essential for audits, and by using software to create them, you can ensure that all the information is accurate and up to date. Plus, most software will help you easily filter the data by year or quarter, which is especially useful when you're pulling up historical records for an audit. Now let's talk about reconciliation. One of the most important things to do to stay audit ready is to reconcile your accounts regularly. With bookkeeping software, this process is quick and easy. All you have to do is match your bank statements with the records in your software. If there are any discrepancies, the software will alert you and you can quickly investigate and correct them. The software we're using today also offers secure backup options. If you're ever concerned about losing your data, most bookkeeping software offers cloud storage, so your records are always backed up and easily accessible when needed. This feature is critical because losing any important financial information could be disastrous during an audit. If you want to follow along with me and take full advantage of the features I've just mentioned, I've got an exclusive free trial for you. Just check out the description below for your link to the trial. To recap, to stay audit ready, make sure you're using bookkeeping software to track your transactions, categorize your expenses, generate accurate reports, reconcile your accounts, and back up your data securely. Staying organized with the right software can make the audit process much smoother. And trust me, it'll save you time and headaches in the long run. Key takeaway: the best way to stay audit ready is to stay organized and consistent with your bookkeeping. By using software that automates many of the processes, you can easily track your financials and ensure everything is in order when it's time for an audit. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. It's available just for viewers of my channel. See you in the next video.